Hi Achievers, welcome to A+ Russian. Today we are learning how to say I'm drinking coffee. Be sure to watch to the end for a bonus tip. I like making coffee in a French press. What about you? Let me know in the comments below. Today we start learning the verb to drink. Keep in mind that there is no difference between I drink and I am drinking in Russian. When we need to say I am drinking, in Russian we say я пью, where я is I and пью is am drinking. And altogether it's я пью. Keep in mind that in Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word пью, which is Russian for am drinking. The first sound is P, then goes soft sign, and soft sign makes the preceding letter sound soft. So we have P, and then we have U, and altogether it's пью. Пью. So far you've learned how to say I am drinking, where I is я and am drinking is пью. Do you remember what is Russian for I? Yeah, excellent. What about am drinking? Пью. And all together it's я пью. And the last new word for today is кофе. 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 Let's spell the word кофе. The first sound is K, then goes O, and it's stressed and is pronounced as O. Then we have F and E. Today you learned how to say I'm drinking coffee in Russian. Я пью кофе, where я is I, пью is am drinking, and кофе is coffee. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go! Я is I, пью is am drinking, кофе is coffee. Я пью кофе. Yeah, do you remember where the other я is? Excellent. Пью. Do you know where the other пью is? Кофе? Кофе. Well done, Achievers! Next time you're having coffee, you can say it in Russian. Я пью кофе, where я is I, пью is am drinking, and кофе is coffee. And here is your bonus tip. Instant coffee is very popular in Russian, and we call it растворимый кофе. That literally means coffee that you can dissolve. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A+ Russian.